Problem. The radius and height of a cylinder are measured as 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters, and there is an error of 0.0 centimeters in both the measurements. Find the error in its volume. So here cylinder is given. This is height, base radius is r. First radius r equal to 5 centimeters and error in radius 0.0 centimeters. Height 10 centimeters. Error in height same 0.02 centimeters. What should find? Error in volume. Delta V is equal to question mark. So we know that volume of a cylinder V is equal to pi square H. R stands for base radius, H stands for height. Delta V equal to pi constant bracket R square means 2R into delta R into H plus R square into delta H. Now substitutions. Delta V equal to pi times of 2 into R 5. Delta R 2 by 100. H 10 plus R square 5 square 25. Delta H same 2 by 100. Now we need to simplify this. 0 0 2 5s are 5 get cancelled. 25 4s are 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. 5 times of 2 plus 0.5. Therefore, error in volume is equal to 2.5 pi centimeter cube. Okay, students. Important note. Number 1. Error in Y means delta pi. Number 2. Relative error in Y. Third one, percentage error in Y. Okay, this is another important concept. We want to find error in Y, we need to find delta Y. We want to find relative error in Y, we need to find delta Y by Y. Sometimes we need to find percentage error in Y, we need to find delta Y by Y into 100. Okay, students. Example problem based on this concept. The radius of a circle is 3 centimeters and error in radius is given 0.02 centimeters. Then find the error in area, relative error in area, percentage error in area. Solution. First of all, we know that area of a circle is pi r square. Delta A equal to pi into 2r into delta r. Delta A equal to pi into 2 into r means 3 into means this is 2 by 100. So delta A, what you got here, 3 to the 6 12, 0.12 pi by 0.12 pi centimeters cube, centimeter square, sorry. This is the error in area. Part 1 completed. Part 2. Relative error in area. relative error. Area. Delta A by A. Delta A means 0.125 by A means pi r square by r square means 9. This cancelled. This is 12 by 100 into 1 by 9. 3 3s are 3 4s are. Okay. Yeah. 1 4 by 3. 4 1s are 4. 3 3 3 3 something by 100. So that is equal to 0.0133. So this is the relative error in area. Next, what you want? Percentage error in area. So percentage error in area means what you want? Third one. Delta A by A into 100 you want. Just now you got delta A by A 1.33 by 100, that is delta A by A into 100, cancel, that is equal to 1.33. Therefore, okay, percentage error in area equal to 1.33. So here in this problem, relate error in area, this relative error in area, this percentage error in area. For any problem, directly you want to find percentage error in area. Directly. What should do? We need to find delta A by A into 100, then we will get. Our direct method is there to find percentage error in area or percentage error in volume, whatever it may be. Using logarithms, directly you can find percentage error in area. A equal to pi r square. Apply logarithm on either side the base C. Log A with the base C equal to logarithm of pi r square. So, log A equal to log pi plus log r square or 2 times of log r I can write directly. Log of AB, log A plus log B. So now differentiating just like 1 by A into delta A equal to log pi constant 0 plus 2 as it is 1 by R into delta R. So what I got here? Delta A by A equal to 2 by R into delta R. We want percentage error in area means delta A by A into 100 equal to 2 by R means 3 into delta R is given as 2 by 100 into 100 get cancelled, that is 4 by 3, that is equal to 1.33. So a important thing is we want to find percentage error in area or in percentage error in volume or something. By using logarithms directly you can find out. This is the approach to find the percentage error in area directly without finding delta A separately, delta A by A separately. Friends, there is another example. If there is an error 0.01 centimeters in the diameter of a sphere when the radius is 5 centimeters, find the percentage error in surface area. Percentage error in surface area. For example, S stand for surface area, delta S by S into 100 you want. Okay, first of all I wanted formula. Surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square, S equal 4 pi r square. Okay, so error in diameter is given. No, I want to convert r in terms of d. S equal to 4 pi into d by 2 square. So S equal to pi d square, because 4 pi d square by 4 get cancel. So s equal 5 d square. What is d is given as here 10, because radius is 5 means diameter should be 2 times of radius, that is equal to 2 times of r equal to 10. Okay, s equal pi d square. Apply log on other side. Logarithm of s to the base e equal to logarithm of pi d square to the base e. So logarithm of s to the base e equal to logarithm of pi plus 2 log d. So here I am finding differentiation 1 by s into delta s equal to, this is 0, 2 into 1 by d into delta d. Okay. So delta s by s equal to 2 into 1 by d means what here, 10 into delta d, error is given by 1 by 100. So what you want? Delta s by s into 100 you want. That is 2 by 10 into 1 by 100 into 100. That is 0.2. Means percentage error in surface area. In surface area equal to 0.2 centimeter square.